Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to disable clock application on your Android devices. So without any further ado, let's get directly on the video. To disable the clock application on Android devices, firstly, you must search the application where it has been located on your home screen. So once you find out the application, you need to tap and hold the application and you'll be able to find out app info. Tap on app info. This will let you enter on the app info page of clock applications. So once you are here, you'll be able to see the uninstall button on the highlighted blue in color. So you need to tap on uninstall. So if you are sure to disable the clock application on Android devices, then you can simply tap on OK. So now the application will be soon be installed and disable it from your Android devices and from the home screen of your device. I hope this video was useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon of this channel to never miss an upcoming uploads on our channel. Thank you.